capture jewelry details with texture? Hiring pros for close-ups is costly and often misses that instant elegance feel. Not sure how to write a prompt? No problem, SellerPic is here to help. Don't let lackluster details hurt your jewelry's premium vibe. SellerPic's new jewelry close-up shot template solves this, even for beginners. It creates close-ups that stun when zoomed in. Let's try this jewelry close-up shot template. Remember these 2 key tips to maximize the texture of details. Avoid images with models, which cause obstructions, or entire sets of jewelry uploaded directly. Prioritize selecting single, clear images for your material. The upload process is super simple. There are 3 upload options to choose from. You can write key features here to help generate better results, and a variety of AI models are available at the bottom left. You can also adjust the image ratio and quantity. Once set, just click Use to start generating. If you feel the detail you want to highlight isn't in the center of the frame, click the hands icon and drag to fine-tune the focus area. After generation, zoom in and you'll see every facet of the diamond reflects light clearly. Click Compare to check the difference. Details are not over-edited, retaining the jewelry's original texture while eliminating noise and blurriness from the original. You'll never have to worry about the edited version not looking like the real product. If you encounter any issues after generation, click the triangle icon in the top right corner to submit feedback. If you're satisfied with the result, download it directly. 3 formats are available. Let's try using this template to create an effect for a necklace. Even the tiny texture on metal chains remains sharp. It's even more exquisite than the original image. No more struggling with bad shots or unrefined edits for jewelry close-ups, and no more paying high prices for professional photography teams. With SellerPic's jewelry close-up shot template, you can make your jewelry's detail highlights stand out in minutes, letting customers feel the product's high-end texture at a glance. Now go to the official website www.sellerpic.ai to log in, and use close-up photos to turn your jewelry from looking good to looking premium.